If you're looking for a way to easily monitor worker hours in CoConstruct, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk through the steps to effectively track time, making sure you stay on top of your project's progress and budgets. Stick with me, because I'll also share a special bonus at the end that will give you extended free access to the software. First off, you'll want to know that CoConstruct's time tracking feature is built specifically for construction projects, making it simple to manage labor costs while ensuring accurate billing. By using CoConstruct, you can track worker hours in real time, which helps you stay organized and prevents any billing confusion. Next, you'll want to set up your workers within the system. It's easy. Simply navigate to the Team section in CoConstruct, where you can add your crew and assign them to specific tasks. Each worker can be given unique access to enter their own hours, so you don't need to be involved in every little detail. Once your workers are set up, the next thing is logging hours. With CoConstruct, employees can enter their worked hours either through the mobile app or web portal. It's flexible and easy, allowing workers to log hours on the go. This is crucial for staying on top of things without the need to track down employees for updates. The fourth thing you'll want to focus on is setting up tasks and assigning them to workers. When each worker logs their hours, they'll associate their time with a specific task or project phase. This is key for seeing exactly where time is being spent and ensuring everything stays on track. If you're managing multiple jobs, this organization helps you keep labor costs under control. Another great feature is real-time reports. CoConstruct system lets you generate reports on worker hours, so you can get a clear picture of where your time and budget are going. You can also export the data for easy sharing with other team members or clients. Lastly, if you want to keep your workers motivated, CoConstruct allows you to track the time spent on each task versus the estimated time. This feature lets you see where work is speeding up or slowing down, which can be helpful for forecasting and scheduling. As you can see, tracking worker hours in CoConstruct is simple and incredibly useful. Not only does it save time, but it helps you stay within budget and keep everything organized. And the best part? You can try CoConstruct completely for free, thanks to the exclusive bonus linked in the description below. That means you get to explore all the features, including time tracking, without any commitment. Make sure you click that link below to claim your free trial and start monitoring worker hours in CoConstruct today. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer. It's your chance to take your project management to the next level.